Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is I can talk about writing because I've been writing for over 10 years, 10 to 15 years. It's been a while since I've been writing. And this brings me to an elevated position where I can talk about writing and teach my audience a thing or two about writing. For example, the right choice of words, understanding the topic, expressing yourself in a story format. These are all the things that you need to do. It doesn't matter whether you're blogging, you're doing something else, for example, SEO content writing, or you're writing articles for your clients. I've written articles for clients and I've also written research papers, and this is the reason why you should listen to this video. I've been writing and I know that writing does not come naturally to most people. All I can say is for that argument, all I can say is that you need to practice writing regularly. If you're weak in writing, then you can practice regularly or on a daily basis. This way you can improve your writing style. You can form a mental imagery in the mind of your audience, and this practice will enable you to write better pieces or articles or blog posts for yourself or for the people you're writing your articles, blog posts, or pieces for. There are other things that you need to keep in mind. You cannot use the same article, for example, the you cannot use it, any word, you cannot use it more than thrice or more than twice. For example, you start a sentence with the, the, or the, and then the second sentence also has the, and you cannot start the third consecutive sentence with the. You'll have to start it with something else. This is one of the rules that I follow, and this disables the monotony from the sentences, and the user is kept engaged while reading your article or blog or whatever it is. And then you also have to use associated words. These words are similar sounding words or synonyms. I would suggest use them sparingly, but you have to incorporate these words. You cannot use same words in every paragraph. You have to use the variation of the word that means the same thing. And then you have to concentrate on storytelling. Storytelling is all about forming a mental image in the mind of your audience and providing your audience with something which they can relate to, and they can form mental images and be in that spot wherever you want to take them. Then you have to allow them to live in that place. For example, you have weaved a place. It's a it's a happy place, and it's a story basically. And it's a happy place. You have weaved the story and narrated the story in a way that is projecting the space to be a happy place. And then you have to allow your audience to live in that place. You have to make them experience the things that you want them to experience. So for that, you need to use the right words, sentences, paragraphs, and narrations. And you have to properly incorporate all your skills, capabilities to come up with a writing solution that may work for your audience and for yourself as well. I'm making this a 6-part series on writing. Pakistani writers face various challenges. They do not understand how to write, how to start. Writer's block is also there. So I'll dedicate one video on writer's block and how to overcome writer's block in Pakistan. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.